Guys, welcome to H-QTV. If you are a online users and you love to do surveys or you want to make money online, and I bring you a genuine service that will help you to make money online, so welcome to H-QTV. My name is Samuel Awuyemi. So I'm doing video about Web3, making money online, and tech. And in this video I'm going to teach you how to make money online, how to make a genuine money through service. And this service is not the type of service that is going to waste your time. So guys, I'm going to walk you through the journey of how you can start this service and everything that you need to know, how to earn money and how to receive your payment. So I'm going to teach you, so work with me guys as we are going to unveil this. So this is the service. So the service is ZoomBucks.com. So this is the service. You can see take easy service, earn cash and gift card. So you are going to create an account, and this is $1 free bonus. Create account, my email address and password. So I'm going to sign in now. So let me sign in. So I have created my account. And how do I create my account? You are going to see it at the top. You can see registration confirmation ZoomBucks. So my name Samuel and my surname, I can put anything. Awuyemi, that is my surname. So I'm going to continue. Help us find service for you, Samuel. Tell us about yourself so we can match the best service. What is your annual household income before taxes? Let me say annual, just put something. Let me say $150,000. Which department do you, okay, it's in euros or pounds. I think £150,000 to £200,000. That is what I picked. Which department do you primarily work within as your organization? So just pick one. Can just pick one that fits in your profile. So let me say if there's content creator. So I pick other. So let's move to the next one. What is your employment status? Self-employed, or you can put students. What is your level of education? University. I'm not yet a postgraduate. So university. What is your marital status? Single, never married. So I'm going to claim my 750 points, my gender, my date of birth. You are going to use a zip code, complete your profile, earn 0.90 pounds or euro. That is 250 points, my date of birth. But wait, first you have to read these instructions before you are going to start. If making an extra $30 or more a week sounds good to you, you might want to check out this service platform. We post and bookmark. So let's move on. Normally I like to test things out myself. So this is where I got my service, and I have make a lot of research about them, and I can see that it's legit before sharing them. But in this case, multiple people have already confirmed it's legit. So let's try it out together. Realistic earnings. If you spend 1 to 2 hours a day on it, that is $150 to $100 per month is achievable with consistent effort and completing hours. Some people even reach $200 and above per month. To get started, you need a smartphone or laptop. Recommend a good one, not the one that is lack, or not the one that is going to be lacking or is going to be slow. A stable internet connection. This third one is very important. A VPN, HMA Proxy. Search it on Google Play Store. HMA Proxy is there. So it's also there. I think so. You can see HMO Proxy. I think it's there. Or this second one is also there. So 5 Proxy is there. So I'm not using any of these VPN, but I'm using VPN also. So 5 Proxy. So you can see a lot of it. So this is it. So 5. So this another one, this another one, and this can see a lot of proxy here. VPN, can see it. So just download the one that you love here. So another one is a valid email address, a valid email, that a active email address, that is what it means. And using a US, UK, or a Canada SOC browser will give you access to the highest paying service. So if you are using a, maybe out of these three countries, that US, UK, or Canadian SOCs proxy often give you access to the highest paying service. So that is what it means. So getting started, go to zoombucks.com. So you are going to see the link under this video description. Just go under this video description and click on the link. So it's going to direct you to this place where you are going to follow all the instructions in this video. So confirm your email. So you have to confirm your email here. So confirm your email. So you are going to confirm your email address. So they have confirmed my email. Log into ZoomBucks. So you can see I already logged into ZoomBucks. You can see completed service. So complete your first service, complete your about me. So these are the surveys. Now you are going to see it. So this survey is genuine. So it's genuine. Make sure that you follow this video, you follow it, and I'm going to walk you through the step in this video as till the end. So stay with me in this video. So this so let's continue. So tip, focus on service routers like your service and bits like. So what's the mean here is, you are going to see it under here. I think they should be under here. So your service, so this is your first service. So this is it. Menu. So this menu, this is everything that you need to know. So you are going to find the link in this video. You can see now. So if I start complete about me, you are going to complete that later, but make sure that you connect to VPN according to the instructions in this video. You can see I have already connected to a very good VPN. So focus on service router like your service and BitLab. They usually pay the best. You can see now. So that is service routers. Payment option, ZoomBucks lets you get paid in couple of ways. PayPal. So we, like Nigeria now, we are not using PayPal unless maybe you log in through someone that has access to it overseas, or US, UK, Canada, like that, or you use gift cards like Amazon, Google Play, and more. So the minimum payout is $3, around 3,000 points. Payment typically go through within 24 to 72 hours. You can see. So like a lot of questions, and which VPN do you recommend? Just make sure that you follow what I said in this video. The VPN that you are going to use is that this writer I recommend is HMA proxy is good, or SOC 5's proxy if your country is not supported. A valid mail address. You don't need phone number like that. You don't need phone number, but you need a valid address. You can see a valid email address. So that is all what you need in this service, and make sure that you follow all the instructions. Once you follow the instructions, you are going to end well, and it won't even take more of your time. It won't. I think they have written the time there. They should have written the time there. It's not going to take much of your time, maybe 15 to 30 minutes or 40 minutes every day. It's not that plenty to end, $100 per month. Me too, I'm going to be doing it. So but this is the first time, and I've doing a lot of research about this service. So guys, I'm going to see you in this video. If this service work for you, make sure that you subscribe and like this video. Can also comment for a lot of people to see that it really works for you. So I'm going to see you in my next video. Peace be unto you guys.